Hello, hello, hello. Francois here, your go-to guy for all things AI, coming to you from Go Human AI, a division of KTTP Inc. Now, I know you're all eager to dive into today's news, and trust me, it's a big one. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, has just introduced Q, an AI chatbot designed specifically for companies. Now, this is a significant move, folks, and it's aimed at dispelling the notion that Amazon is falling behind in harnessing the potential of AI technology. Now, you might be thinking, Francois, what's so special about this chatbot? Well, let me tell you, Q is not your average chatbot. Developed by Amazon's cloud computing division, Q is focused on workplaces and is not intended for consumers. Its primary aim is to assist employees with daily tasks, such as summarizing strategy documents, filling out internal support tickets, and answering questions about company policy. But that's not all. Q is set to compete with other corporate chatbots, including Copilot, Google's Duet AI, and ChatGPT Enterprise. Amazon's CEO of Web Services, Adam Selipsky, believes that Q has the potential to become a work companion for millions of people in their work life. Now, Amazon has been racing to shake off the perception that it is lagging behind in the AI competition. In the year since OpenAI released ChatGPT, Google, Microsoft, and others have jumped into the frenzy by unveiling their own chatbots and investing heavily in AI development. Amazon was quieter about its AI plans until more recently. In September, it announced that it would invest up to $4 billion in Anthropic, an AI startup that competes with OpenAI, and develop advanced computing chips together. Amazon also introduced a platform this year that allows customers to have access to different AI systems. As the leading provider of cloud computing, Amazon already has business customers storing vast amounts of information on its cloud servers. Companies were interested in using chatbots in their workplaces, Mr. Selipsky said, but they wanted to make sure the assistants would safeguard those hordes of corporate data and keep their information private. In response, Amazon built Q to be more secure and private than a consumer chatbot. Amazon Q, for example, can have the same security permissions that business customers have already set up for their users. At a company where an employee in marketing may not have access to sensitive financial forecasts, Q can emulate that by not providing that employee with such financial data when asked. Companies can also give Amazon Q permission to work with their corporate data that isn't on Amazon's servers, such as connecting with Slack and Gmail. Unlike ChatGPT and Bard, Amazon Q is not built on a specific AI model. Instead, it uses an Amazon platform known as Bedrock, which connects several AI systems together, including Amazon's own Titan, as well as ones developed by Anthropic and Meta. The name Q is a play on the word question, given the chatbot's conversational nature. It is also a play on the character Q in the James Bond novels, who makes stealthy, helpful tools, and on a powerful Star Trek figure. Pricing for Amazon Q starts at $20 per user each month. Microsoft and Google both charge $30 a month for each user of the enterprise chatbots that work with their email and other productivity applications. Amazon Q was one of a slew of announcements that the company made at its annual cloud computing conference in Las Vegas. It also shared plans to beef up its computing infrastructure for AI, and it expanded a longtime partnership with NVIDIA, the dominant supplier of AI chips, including by building what the company's called the world's fastest AI supercomputer. Now, this is a lot to take in, I know, but it's clear that the AI race is heating up, and Amazon is not backing down. It's an exciting time to be in the AI industry, and here at Go Human AI, we're committed to staying at the forefront of this industry, continually pushing the boundaries of what is possible and advancing the technology to new heights. If you're a business owner and you're interested in adopting our autonomous AI for your business, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you stay competitive in today's market. And that's it for today's news, folks. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future updates. This is Francois signing off. Remember, the future is AI and the future is now. Stay curious, stay informed, and as always, stay human. Until next time.